few informations I would like to address to all of you for the benefits of our residents of the state. Number one, the number of samples collected and sent for testing till today is 3,207. 3,207. Number of patients tested negative 2,883. Number of test report awaiting till today is 311. And I'm happy to inform today that Meghalaya has no more active cases. 13, one deceased and 12 are fully recovered. All of them are fully recovered. Therefore, today from the government side, we declared that we don't have any single active cases. Number two, point number two, the total numbers of our students, stranded students and friends staying in different places in India, including northeastern states, who reach Meghalaya is 6,565 till today. 6,565 till today. Point number three, on behalf of the government, I would like to express our gratefulness or thankfulness to the frontline workers up to the deputy commissioners level who work tirelessly while receiving and welcoming our friends from different destinations within the nation, who has reached and also who has been duly tested by the frontline workers of the government of Meghalaya. So therefore, I would like to place it on record on behalf of the government. We congratulate all of them. Though they could not sleep well, but still their contribution towards serving the people of the state is highly appreciated by the government as a whole. So these are the informations. And the last one I would like to tell you that right now we have not less than 7,000 COVID committees in all the respective villages and locality in rural areas as well as urban areas. 7,000 plus committees, COVID committees that we have in place. So these committees also, I would like to thank them for having worked so hard in close coordination with the government machinery, district as well as even the block level. From the district up to the block level, they really work very closely with the government machinery. So these are the issues, informations which I would like to inform through all of you for the benefits of our people of the state. Hagakten kasih ngakwa akan ngapor ban pentip Hakmat galang ba jong pi ki perlok na kaliang jong ka media bahadu menta kasngi ke sampel ka ba ngiladep sim bat ka bla pha ban test kalong lai hajar ars pa nyungut nangta ka report ke bengilayo ka balong negatif kalong ar hajar pras pa prapulai ngut nangta ka report ka bengidang up kalong lais pa khatway ngut bat ka bas ngasngo bahaban pentip aha kani ka janmit kalong ba nakitu ke balayo pang khatlai ngut iwei ibala klat no bat khat arngut kilayo ya ka jingkot ke jingkia ka bapura ha ka met ke jongki ban ngasngo bahaban pentip baha kani ka janmit kalong ban nakaliang jong gejela megalaya jongi ngim don shu ka aktif case hadu kanika klip mat ka bamanta ka information ka baan ka bangakwa ban pentip akan ka por kolong ba kitu ki kon samla lani ki nongsong snong jong gejela megalaya jongi ki basa keleng jong ka north east bat kumju jong ka India brokwe ki lawan phai syaka jela ke jungi kalong haduk menta kasngi henriu hajar sanspa henriu phusan ngut haduk menta kasngi henriu hajar sanspa henriu phusan ngut nangta sakawei ka bang syukwa ban pentip kalong ban nakaliang jong ke sarkar ngedon ke review meeting hapok ka jingalam jong chief minister kabangi kwa banbu on record ngi ai khublei krepang ya kitu ki nong trei sarkar jong ke jela megala jongi lengba jong ki deputy commissioners barokhot ki bala trei sitom halaki jong ki area halaki jong ki entry point ki bala ban handle ya ke jingwan ki kun samla ki jingina keleng saudong jong kari India batru klaim kanu kajing bu kho hapdeng kajing bom yo thia yo dem ko jongki tenrei kia trei sitom bat kum baklo matang sngo bahaban pentip bakine borok ke belawan kiladon halaki jong ki caka ka jongki na ka benta ka self quarantine ka baki hable khat sau sngi ngai khoblei ru kerpang na kaleng ko sarkar ya ka team jong ki doctors na kaliang jong ka health department hapok ka jinglam jong IDHS jong i doktor war ki balai tresitom med batsngi ban pentingna bakini ki khon samla jong i ki bawan phai kim don kanu ke jing wat la shisha ki hap ban yeng ulan nyu bujrong da ki kenta ki haban up na ka benta bat pendep ya kini ki test bat kiwe ki jinon kam den rei kumbang ong pi hadu menta kasngi kani kajing penbet kolong kabayaj bet kabaya renti sakawi pat kajing pentip kabangakwa na kamta kajing tip jong kipai ban ong snong jong kejela pero kawi kolong ba hadu menta kasngi nyau hajar tam teli ki covid committee ki bingela thau lengba jong ki district deputy commissioners ki ba per hapok kejela ke jongi kilalong aktif baro nyau hajar tam kilong aktif nadu sor hadu nong kendong bat kini ki committees ki ba per ki trei rengkat bat ka bor sarkar nadu ka block level hadu ka district level bat kumju hadu ka state level kata ka bangakwa ban pentip akan dikejanmit telepidon kanu jingkli
Singapura state amran state ni mentaka hak Queensland dan kemudian
kumba kalau menta ka ya kanika is kasils kadang hap hako rinsun tenrei kadon pada ke proses kanika bot ka bangin sa penbet ngin take up at government of India ya ka ba ngin ya thu ngin ai ya ka report kumagalong kumang pi namar ba menta kasngi ngila declare ba umdon su ka aktif case ka weru na kitu ke blayo yau neu kenyang jingpang. Dia kini kadang bapot, tengi ka proses ke jongi kaya na pedeng jongka jela bat kumyu bat ka Sarkar India. Kani ka protokol kani ka long bet ki hapan take up bat ka embassy ka Indian embassy na po Bangladesh lani na kano no kari keleng jong ka perthei namar ya kadi ka protokol kamde ka duty na keleng ka state government bakala ban handle kani kadi ka issue ka ba ka Sarkar India bat ka Sarkar Bangladesh leni bat kano no Sarkar ka bade syaki wei pat kiri bakin take up ya kani kam bat na keleng jong ka state ngimdon benta halor jong kani ka kam.
Ini last case. Ide ibala don lupa quarantine. Dada khasau su. Dada benda kita di break itu quarantine. Hadin khasau su i break itu quarantine di fit keba. Dan nangi test pada negara rapid test ni syamba ki baru artili itu dijat antibody sila pa pasna. Te halor kata ni update hadu news ni. Yung upload news ni ngin pet kalong gumno. Te news ni ini doctors na po civil hospital ki decide ki ba ye ini ngi ben test no ngin pet kalong gumno. Nang ba ikiwe ru kanong ka jingelam ni yakin nam ta ki be ki. Ti test ni sisni ki chimi ka sample kawan ka report menen kalong negatif. Tingi la su tu ba ini ibla long negatif lupa nama la jan data apa pras ni minta.
Mengenai ke lockdown info, guidelines bagas ke komunikasi dan ada kira syak dan info sungkulim tentang bumut iblis. Pertama kalau kira syak itu dengan interstate movement yang tersuka kira terkait ini.
Pi kalong gomne. Hakabide bakai guidelines kebawan ka Ministry of Home Affairs. Nemuan ka bang akwa panitubi ba hadin ba extend ya kani ka lockdown no life witrik officially ngakwa pan penpau akan ka por bangir una ka state government ni ya ka ju ka line bat ka tolong ni extend ya ka lockdown hadu ka life witrik jong uni ubnai hadu bakut jong ubnai. Number 2 hakabide bat ki guidelines ki protocols ya ka tu nakaliang jong ka komen kadang walk out ka ka bangila banle. Hakabide bat ki interstate movement ru kani ka syong hak state la ka jong state wat la da ka Ministry of Home Affairs ki la sya ten re kani ka ngidang walk out na kaliang jong ka jela ka jengi ten re kumbang ong ipi na kaliang jong ka jela hadu bakut kani ka lockdown kamut hadu lai putrik ngin nempat sya ya ka interstate movement like no tangki essential commodities kabangila jupelai ikunta lain no ke essential commodities kiban ke supply kiban wan sapo ka jela jongi ya kataru ka SOP kalong kaba perking hado ka ta bikin wan te tang ita kiba ngingi hadu menta kalong ka bangi ngi pelai
Mentah ke bayi thok ba?
hoi te ya kai tho ko mo pi kini ki wei padek kitu ngidang walk out kanang ban nakaliang jongi ka state comment ngin sawan ngin sapan syai kane kham katu kane sngi namar bangi dangi walk out ki kebun gitu ki kita ki guidelines ki bawan naka central government.
So we have seen one of the Congress MLA from Mount Sunam. He has demanded the government to conduct random tests on villages residing along the international border with Bangladesh.
For today morning, we had gone down to Balat just to visit the PHC at Barat, and out there also it was surprised that because of the proximity of the border between between Bangladesh and some of the villages that Rinku Bazar side. So he has surprised about this. So we will take a call from the department when we sit for the state response team meeting. We will take a call on that.
In addition, I would like to add whatever DHS has clarified. if need be, rapid test can be done, no doubt with it. Maybe it depends on the detailed report to be received from the concerned stakeholders, and then the health department will examine this issue, and ultimately, if need be, as I said to you, we have already given the authority to the health department under the leadership of DHS. He will take a call on that. We have no problem at all. Maybe immediately rapid test can be done.
So, kung makano, i-expect yung transit in one size is lang.
Next, the next train is from Bangalore. From Karnataka, they are leaving today evening. They are leaving today evening from Bangalore, and they'll be reaching on the 20th. Sorry? Not less than 1,250. 1,250 minimum. It may go up to 14 or 1,500. Ya kak? Oh, they are still working out. Yes, they are still working out. Still working out hadu mentaru. Nakaliang jongka department. Ki work out. Ban number P ni don't come ye ke break up. Break up has to be there. Lalu kita kemudian tip ki DC ban receive ye ki. Te ya kani ngatrai la dapi kontak ye ki naki deputy commissioner kelayo ye kani ka break up. La ka jongka district. Gom ka East Coast Hills. Namar mentah ye kani ka ya ka registration ka testing mentah la le Apollo. Nang ta ya ka theka riboy. Ka riboy mentah ka hap apok ka la le ang tia bernihat. Te mentah ngi create shoot sa kawe na mentah ka West Coast Hills kani ka ngila le mentah sa hapok Mairang. Kawe Mairang bat kawe Hanong Stoy. Ngila create shoot ya kani ka centers ban le ka bedung kam na mentah kini ki bawan. Kawe Mairang kawe Dong Stoy. Hamairang bad Hanong Stoy ngila create shoot ya ka centers ha ka ba. Andi kelawan kini ki kon samla. Mendon kam shoot ban yang lain yang tepok bernihat. DC kelas untuk ban peniat kumno kin simbe ya gitu ki badai sha ka West Coast Hills ki badai ke subdivision jong ka Mairang kin ra be direct ha katuka centers ka bangidang tau tumai ya kai Southwest Coast Hills kum makalong mentah kidang lek nang thina po bernihat jika bamut mentah ka riboy kan long mitang bat ka Southwest Coast Hills
ba manganel ito ne platform sa ka railway ministry na tayo yung basa sa Mumbai security
oh haduk mentang impad yo kidang yolong in touch nomor ko mapi kidang bon teli ki destination ki ba ngi la tho bakin provide ya ka special train bakin sya ka special train manura ya gini students ke jungi na keleng jong ka India tinai haduk mentang impad yo like no kitu lightly ka banglayo ya ka confirmation ka banengkong ka dai nang pon Madras ka baar ka tu Gujarat ka bakilai poi menin bat ka balai ka banang poi hak ar putrik ka dai ka Bangalore
Saroi tayo ako yung city sa office ng chief minister wa bodi samagi ko na Delhi ujab hai yung resident commissioner ng Delhi wa unga priyan jadi ini karena sokar wala mo
kum pimut kum ya kai ta ki kim priang kum no
kung da oke ang covid dito di ba Sahara sa Jakarta di kita kemarin ini sih po UP lawan ra yang diberi support di house perkat kulit dan resident commissioner pun priang
Amenta resident commissioner udon be hasilong usampat komaru dei resident commissioner te idon additional resident commissioner the MCS officer te itu function hang tai idon hang tai long pimut banong ba spangai
hoi udon resident commissioner udon hang tai lebaran tu kita kiwai pak bantai ya bagi guru jomi bagi itu jinge
MMI nuksate ki e ki jing e te bang sutu Kata bami kot kubor. Okey ngan batai kata ka ba kelibit spesifik. Pi ya kata ke jingjia kadena harena. Mu kidena po harena. Pingong pingiru ngilawan jiktip lut na ro sudong. Ke problem kolong ni namar ba hakane kapor ka bamenta ngala ada batai ro sisin hakabakum kane kapor pi ke protokol ka ba kistrik boro. Pimla ban suong bet ngakwa le chime ka laus lasuk ban le kumta. Namal mentawat na wei kayeng sekoi si bahayeng rom not ban ru kluman. Gimnya sya ban ru. Den rei ngong pi ka ba ya bakla. Kadon ke jing bakla kolong namar ba. Ita ibatrei yeng hakawei na ki family. Naka ka daw ngamtip namar nakalian ka office jong resident commissioner jingi kla ya phone bat kita yeng. Kita yeng ki bapli kitang bat. Dan rei nakanur kanu ka daw ngamtip. Kala ban lo ka daw simet kala ban kumno ikwa mi dong. Nemi no le police station. To, la mi police station lai keren le yalam biang hayeng. Yalam biang hayeng upulit kita yeng ka kumno pinwan biang hayeng yalam biang hayeng namar ka exposure jong iyo ila seno. Hanrei ki dei ki family members ki babiang. Namar ka jing keren ngong pikala don detail. Te ka ka bangamot ban ong kolong takani not necessarily bangin blame ya ka office yung resident commissioner. Namar ngar ngatip ya kata issue boro. Namar ba pia claim protocol lar pi ong hame ka house ne pi ong haying jong ane haying jong pi na ngatrai kajuk ke bom ta kamlong. Hakane ka coronavirus komo pi si perlok menut tang bar ai public tiru. Tenganga kerpat ba yakito ki ba jia ke lagi don ka case kum katu sngau ba follow yaki protocols ke beladu thik pathik mdei ban ong mun siyawan klebe kum malong normal kapon namar ba komo opi kane menta ka de ba khampla ka jingjia ka ba khamkhla ka khlam ga ba khampla ha ga ba uwe mianut shu banya sania ru mnot shu banya janru mnot shu banya tur ten re komo pi na ka bentai ban ong banya rap ye ki bri lojong ngidon ga megala house la pi ong ha Calcutta la pi ong ha Port Delhi pi ong si Mumbai ke hapi ong hanya Guwahati ki yetre na ka bentaban ai ka babahatam na ka bentagi ki jing jenjar jong ki bri ki jengi ki badon na ka jela.